Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Unfortunately, this is not a napping series video, a sleeping, snoring, mom, dad, mom alone. It's nothing like that. It's more of a video to notify each and every one of our subscribers of the changes that are going to be happening to our channel. Effective immediately, we made the decision to no longer be pre-made chicken nug snoring ASMR. We will be taking the snoring completely out of our channel. I do apologize ahead of time for all the subscribers that subscribe specifically for this. I wish that things could be different, but we are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we want to go ahead and make content to where we could possibly gain those subscribers. So I do apologize ahead of time, but I do want to say thank you for all of those that choose to stick around for our new adventure. So there's nothing more that I could say, but thank you, and I'll see you soon. Guys, we're not going anywhere. April Fools. We want to go ahead and take the time and say thank you for all of the likes, all of the comments, all of the shares, all of the support, and all of our new subscribers, all of our faithful subscribers. We appreciate you, and I'm sure that we will get to our 1K goal soon enough. Other than that, we're still here. We're not going anywhere. Hope you are all staying safe, and I will see you soon.